What the fuck? What the fuck? Come on, start. No. Fuck. Got called for help. I really gotta go to work. Hopefully this nigga answer his phone, man. Hopefully this dude answer. Please answer your phone, dude. I gotta be at work and shit. Fuck. Hey, bro. My nigga, my card isn't working, bro. And nigga, I'm like an hour and 30 minutes late to work. I was wondering, could you please just help a nigga out? Cause I'm hurting right now, man.
Alright, man, I got you.
Shit, I appreciate it, dog.
No problem, man.
Alright, peace. Oh shit.